Ever wonder if the secret to improved mental health could be lurking in your kitchen? A shift in your daily eating habits might be just the thing you need. Welcome to a journey of understanding culinary therapy, a fascinating blend of cooking and therapy that promises to tickle your taste buds while boosting your mental fortitude. Culinary therapy, in essence, is the act of cooking as a therapeutic tool to enhance mental and emotional well-being. It's a beautiful symphony of senses, a creative outlet where the sizzle of a pan, the aroma of fresh herbs, the vibrant colors of vegetables, and the satisfying feeling of creating something from scratch all converge to boost your mood and mental resilience. To embark on this voyage of culinary therapy, you need nothing more than a willingness to explore and a kitchen stocked with fresh, organic ingredients. The first step is to source these ingredients. Farmers markets, local organic stores, or even your own backyard garden can provide a bounty of fresh produce that not only tastes better, but also carries a lower environmental footprint. Once you have your ingredients, the next step is to embrace the process of cooking. This doesn't mean cooking gourmet meals every day, but rather appreciating the simple pleasures of chopping, stirring, sautéing, and seasoning. It's about enjoying the journey as much as the destination, finding joy in the act of creating something nourishing and delicious. The final step in culinary therapy is, of course, eating. Mindful eating, to be precise. This involves truly savoring each bite, appreciating the flavors, and acknowledging the effort that went into creating the meal. It's a wholesome experience that encourages a stronger connection with food, promotes healthier eating habits, and sparks joy in the everyday act of eating. Now, it's important to remember that culinary therapy isn't a quick fix or a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a lifestyle change, a commitment to investing time and effort into cooking and eating as a means of nourishing the mind, body, and soul. To summarize, culinary therapy is a unique therapeutic approach that combines the act of cooking with mental and emotional wellness. It starts with sourcing fresh, organic ingredients, then moves on to enjoying the process of cooking, and finally culminates in mindful eating. It's a mindful approach to food that promotes mental resilience, emotional wellness, and a healthier relationship with food. So the next time you find yourself in the kitchen, remember this: you're not just cooking a meal, you're crafting a therapeutic experience. Culinary therapy invites you to slow down, savor the moment, and discover the joy of cooking as a form of self-care. It's a delicious journey towards mental and emotional well-being, one bite at a time. And there you have it, a fresh perspective on cooking and mental health. Food for thought, indeed. Bon appetit. Thank you for tuning in to Healthy Living Boulevard. If you found this video helpful, don't miss out on our future content. Hit that subscribe button.